Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart Realty Secrets. Today I'm going to share exactly how you can buy your very first rental property even if you feel like you're completely broke. Most people think real estate is only for the rich, but that's not how wealthy investors start. They begin with strategy, not money. So let's dive right in and break this down in the simplest possible way. Here's the truth. You don't need to save $50,000 or wait years to start investing. What you really need is a game plan. The first strategy is one that has quietly created more new investors than anything else: house hacking. This means you buy a duplex, triplex, or fourplex using a low down payment loan. You live in one unit, and your tenants help pay your entire mortgage. I've seen beginners live almost for free using this strategy, while their property builds equity month after month. Imagine owning a property where the rent from 2 units covers the whole payment, and you live practically at zero cost. That's how you start when your bank account is small, but your vision is big. And speaking of loans, most beginners don't know this, but the system actually gives you several ways to buy real estate with almost no money down. FHA loans can get you in with just 3.5% down. VA loans let qualifying veterans purchase with zero down. USDA loans offer zero down in many rural areas. Even some conventional loans offer as little as 3% down if your credit is solid. These options exist specifically to help first-time buyers get into the market, and they work beautifully for small, multifamily properties that generate rental income from day one. Now, before jumping into any deal, you must know how to read the numbers. It's easier than you think. Just take the potential rent, subtract the mortgage payment, taxes, insurance, and some money for maintenance and vacancy. If the property still puts even $100 in your pocket every month, that's a beginner-friendly cash-flowing asset. Real estate wealth doesn't come from trying to time the market. It comes from owning property long enough to let appreciation and tenant payments work for you. But what if you truly have zero savings? Another smart approach is partnering with someone who has the money but doesn't have the time or knowledge. You can bring the effort, finding the property, managing the rehab, handling the tenants, and they bring the capital. You split the profit and you both win. This is one of the most common strategies used by first-time investors who want ownership without using their own money. So here's how you move forward. Pick your strategy, get pre-approved for a loan, start running numbers, and start touring properties. Don't wait for the perfect deal, look for a solid deal. Even one good property can change your financial life over time, because once you have one, getting the next becomes much easier. Real estate rewards action takers, not perfection seekers. If this inspired you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Smart Realty Secrets, where we share weekly insights on real estate, finance, and building passive income the smart way. Let's build wealth together, one smart deal at a time.